This is the second part of 5.3, which is solving exponential equations. Key thing to keep in mind for solving any exponential equation is that if the bases are equal, then the exponents are equal. Equal bases, equal exponents. So first thing I'm going to do is 9 to the negative x plus 15 equals 27 to the x. There are no restrictions on the domain. So whatever we get for x is good to go. You should still check your answer. I see 9, I see 27. The bases are not equal yet. I can make the bases equal. 9 is 3 squared to the negative x plus 15. 27 is 3 cubed. If you know your powers, it's going to be so much easier to do this stuff. This is the power property. So distribute the 2. So we're going to multiply exponents. We're going to multiply the 2, and negative x plus 15 is an exponent. So I'm going to multiply 2 times negative x plus 15. Distribute, and you get negative 2x plus 30 equals 3 to the 3x. Power property, 3 times x is 3x. Well, we didn't start off with equal bases, 9 and 27, but I have equal bases now. Do not say that you cancel the base of 3. You are not canceling the 3's. You are using a property that says if the bases are equal, 3, then the exponents are equal. Do not cross off the 3's. Negative 2x plus 30 equals 3x. I'm just going to do it this way so I have some more room. 30 equals 5x. X is 6. Okay, let's stick with 9 and 27, and we're going to do a problem that's much harder. This time, let's do 9 to the 2x times 27 to the x squared equals 3 to the negative 1. You never multiply bases. You don't multiply 9 times 27. First of all, it's way too big of a number. And second of all, it's voodoo math. So I see 9 and I think, oh, 9, 27, 3. I'm going to rewrite with a base of 3. That's hopefully going to help me out. So this becomes 3 squared to the 2x times 3 cubed to the x squared equals 3 to the negative 1. Okay, multiply exponents, power property. That's 3 to the 4x times 3 to the 3x squared equals 3 to the negative 1. Okay, let's do a side note. If I give you x squared times x to the 6th, that's x to the 8th. You're adding exponents, product property. If you have something like x to the negative 1 times x to the 4th, add exponents, you get x cubed. Bases are the same. Product property says add the exponents. Well, guess what? The bases are the same. So this is no different than saying x to a power, we add the exponents. So this becomes 3 to the 4x plus 3x squared. Bases are the same, add the exponents. Bases are the same, add the exponents. Great. Bases are the same. Equal base, equal exponents. Do not cross off the 3's. If you do that, you better hide it when you're turning in your homework because that is so voodoo. So this becomes 4x plus 3x squared equals negative 1. It's quadratic, set it equal to 0. Use the 0 product property. Factoring never goes away. In your whole math life, you're going to have to factor. So I believe this is 3x plus 1, x plus 1. X is negative 1/3 and negative 1. You should go back and check for the purposes of the video, keeping it short. I'm not checking. These are the correct answers. So I skipped the easier ones. I went straight for the harder ones. All right, let's do one more. If 2 to the x equals 3, what does 4 to the negative x equal? Okay, so I'm going to look, first of all, I see 2, I see 4. I'm going to think equal bases. They're not equal bases yet, but I can make them equal bases. So I'm going to take 4 to the negative x. And this is the same thing as 1 over 4 to the x. The exponent is negative, reciprocal, make the exponent positive. Well, this is the same thing as 1 over 2 squared to the x. This is the same thing as 1 over, okay, power property, multiply the exponents. When you multiply, order doesn't matter. So this is the same thing as 2 to the x squared. Power property, the order in which you multiply does not matter. 2 times x, 2x. X times 2, 2x. Well, I know 2 to the x. 2 to the x was given to me as 3. Which is 1/9. So I didn't do what I consider to be some of the easier problems. I will tell you this, know your powers of 2 especially, and know your powers of 3. So what do I mean by that? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Powers of 3, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729. The faster you can recall them, the easier this whole section is going to be.